Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Instagram. It's actually quite a straightforward process, but they have changed some of the menus around, so let's jump right down into it. So here we have Instagram, it's open up. What first thing I want to do is I want to click in this little kind of avatar icon, bottom right hand corner. Give that a click, it's going to bring up your profile. There's a couple of different routes at this stage that you could go down. The most direct route is the hamburger option, top right hand corner. Give that a click, and from here you're going to get into settings and activity. From here you can scroll down and you can find all of the different things associated with your account. But one thing that we're really interested in today's video is, of course, to understand how we can change our names in the application. For this, it's right at the very top of our screen here where you can see it says Accounts Center. From there, give that a click. From there, you can see that you end up with profiles and a whole host of additional options. What you want to do is you want to click on profiles. From here, you want to click on your Instagram profile, and then this is going to load up all your naming conventions. So your name, your username, your profile picture, your avatar, etc. So what we can do is, of course, click on name, and then in here you can go ahead and change your name. I'm just going to go ahead and take out my surname here and click done. Now it does say that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Once you click save, it is going to obviously save that down. You can also do the same when it comes to your username, so you can change that as well. Make sure that all of that is also available to you. So honestly guys, it is as easy as that to essentially change your name when it comes to Instagram. If you found this useful and informative, smash that like button for me guys. It really does help me help you by pushing the content further on the YouTube algorithm. And of course guys, if you are not yet subscribed, why don't you subscribe to stay up to date with all the hints and the tips that we have on the channel. And if you are interested and you're curious about how to change your name on Instagram, well, you might be interested to know how to change your name on Facebook or on some other platforms. For that, you can go ahead and check out that video right there.